Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the game and your platform are fully updated. This avoids mismatched options. Once done, sign into the same account and back up the existing config file so you can revert if needed. Next, launch Knives Out 2025 and open the main settings menu. This puts you at the right interface. From here, you avoid wandering through unrelated tabs and proceed directly to controls and graphics, where the only way path begins. You now go into the specific submenus. Choose Controls, then Advanced if adjusting inputs, or Graphics, then Advanced for frame and FOV changes. Once inside, pick Custom as your preset so your choices stick. Then enable the Only Way toggle or the single authoritative setting labeled similarly. That ensures the rest of the menu follows this method. After that, fine-tune sensitivity, field of view, frame limit, and input smoothing. Small tweaks here change feel. You finish by applying the changes and immediately restarting the game so all values load cleanly. Then test in a low-risk match to validate aim, frame stability, and input response. This helps you confirm the only way setup works in real conditions. If something feels wrong, adjust values in small increments, 5 to 10%, and retest until comfortable. If conflicts or crashes happen, restore the backup config and reapply the steps more conservatively to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.